Good morning, friends. Today, I think August the what? So today August the 29th. Today August the 29th, 2021. I'm being prepared for Hurricane Ida. You know the good news, ladies and gentlemen, that we outside the cone. New Orleans is outside the cone of uncertainty or the cone of projection. But that don't mean we in the clear. The storm the storm could still hit us. That don't mean we in the clear, y'all. That do not mean we in the clear. So as y'all know, I'm not at my house though. I'm in Columbia Park. Okay. Yeah, these been turned upside down, so nothing don't happen to these furnitures. I bet we should have pushed that against that banister. You know. All right. These going the rain bands is it's a fine time for somebody to call. Huh. Well, let me stop this live stream, okay?